Okay, what's up YouTube? This is your boy Tangini once again. In this video today we are going to talk about what to do before you place any trade. The very first thing before you go to the charts, it's either morning time around, let me say, during London session or afternoon or maybe around Asian session. You just go open up Forex Factory. After you open up Forex Factory, you just go to the economic calendar. This is the economic calendar. This is how it looks. So once you open it up, you just look at the dates. The dates, like for instance, today is let me say now it's Saturday, March 25. So you just focus on here on Monday. Let me say like here on Monday. On Monday, March the 27th at 9 a.m. It doesn't matter, you just check on your own time. You check the currencies that you are trading. Like on Euro, we have this one. This one is not a high impact. This one is a medium impact news. So your focus is only to focus on this high impact news. Like this one, GBP, pound. We have BOE, Gov Bailey speaks. Just this one is just on Monday. Then on Tuesday we have on pound we have Bailey speaks. That is the same thing that will be happening on Monday. Then on at 3 p.m. this is the most interesting one. This one, consumer confidence, US dollar. This is the high impact news. And then on Wednesday, March 27 at 1:30 a.m. we have AUD CPI news. This one is also a high impact news, but this one it will happen around 1:30 a.m. 1:30 a.m. You just focus on the high impact news and the currency and the date and the time. So that is what you have to do before placing any trades. You just come here and check here on the dates, the time, the currency pairs, the currency, the impact. This one is a medium impact news. As for me, I already filtered this whole thing. It's already filtered. But on the next video, I'll also talk about how to filter this one so that you can get this one like mine. This one is a medium impact news. And the red one is a high impact news. This one will wipe you out if you are not sure what will happen in the market. This one will wipe your account out. This one. So this is the one that you have to focus on. These two, medium and high impact. And the other thing is okay. The other thing is you have to check the details of the news. You check the previous one. The previous one, let me say like here at US dollar, which is happening on Tuesday, March 28. Consumer confidence. The previous one, it was 102.9. So the forecast, the one that they are predicting, it's 101. So meaning that this one is they predict the prediction for the impact of that news. It will be around 100 and one. And for you now on Tuesday, what you have to look at is here, the actual, not the forecast, but the actual one. Because here they just predict. Here they predict. Here this one is the previous one. So here they predict. Here is the actual one. So you have to focus on here. Sometimes you can even open up like this. You can open up here and check here also. Just to understand the whole thing, the whole consumer confidence. You just read here. Okay, the source, the conference board measures level of a composite index based on surveyed household. Usual effect, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Actual greater than forecast. If the actual is greater than forecast, meaning that it's good for the currency. Frequency released monthly on the last Tuesday of the current month. Next release, it will be April 25, 2023. Why trades care? Why the traders care about this news? This new release. Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. Derived via a survey of about 3,000 households, which asks respondents to rate the relative level of current and future economic conditions, including labor availability, business conditions, and overall economic situation. Acro expand the conference board. So you just read there for you to understand the whole thing. For you to understand the whole thing. If you want to go back, you just click here and then you are back. Yeah, your main focus is just here at the dates, time, currency, impact, and just the whole heading of the news. And here you focus on actual and predictions, forecast, and the previous one. So, but the main one is just the actual one. That is the main focus. So that this is what you can do if you have this Forex Factory. You just download it from on the phone. You can download it from Play Store. You can also get it from Google Chrome, just to have a desktop app like mine. So on the next one, we can go to, if you don't have this one, because I have 3 of them, we can go to FX Street. FX Street. This one. You can log in if you want to create an account with them, or you can subscribe to them. But for me, I'm just getting the free one. I got the free one. So you just come here. If you want to read the news, you can. That's up to you. But for me, I only focus on the economic calendar. My main focus is just here on the economic calendar. Okay, if you want to filter the news here, you just check. You focus here. Your focus will be on the economic calendar. Once you press here, once you tap here, then you filter. If you want to filter, you can just come here and filter so that you can only focus on the high impact, medium, and high impact news. Like for me, it's already filtered. For mine, it's already filtered. So here you just check the time. The reason why I like FXStreet is because this one is very fast when they are releasing the impact. I mean the news. This one they are very fast. Not like FX Factory. This one they are fast. See, here you just focus on the time and the event. These are the events. Let me say on Monday 27, Monday 27, Monday 27 March, we have high impact news on pound. This one are medium impact. This one I don't really focus on them. I only focus on high impact news. On Tuesday we have AUD and JPY. So here you just focus on actual, previous and forecast. You only focus on actual. Yeah, that's it about FXStreet. And the next one, if you don't have this one, you just go to investing.com. Investing.com. This one is the most one. This one is the one that I started with. The one that I started with, this one. So here also, if you want to read the news, you can just go and read the news. But for me, there's also a currency converter. Also here, I think there is also a. Okay, here you just focus on economic calendar. You come down here at a date. Like this one happened. This one was for yesterday. This one was for today, tomorrow, this week. So this coming week, let me say the week of Monday the 27. I think it's 27. Monday the 27. Yeah, Monday the 27. This one is the one. So here it's also, this one is also easy to understand. You just focus on the time. The time the news will be released, and the currency, and the impact. Yeah. And here we have stars. We don't have the other one that looks like the other one for FXStreet and Forex Factory. But this one is different. This one is much more easier to understand because it has stars. So if you have 3 stars like this one is a high impact news. If you have 2 stars, you have a medium impact news. This is the events. These are the events. And you only focus on actual. And you compare actual with forecast. I mean, you compare forecast with actual. If actual is more than forecast, that means it will be good for the currency. Just like what I explained on Forex Factory. There at Forex Factory is well explained. So if you don't understand this one, you just go to Forex Factory and then you so that you can understand the whole this forecast and previous and actual. So yeah, these are the things that you have to do before jumping on the market. You cannot just wake up in the morning and all of a sudden you are on the chart placing random trades without reading what is happening on the market. Okay, without reading what is happening in the world. You just go to these 3 apps and then you check. Okay, for example, if you are trading Japanese yen, all you have to do is just to check for the whole week. I mean, you check, okay, what are the events of that will be affecting the Japanese yen. You check here. If you are trading pound, you just check what are the events on pounds for the whole week, so that you won't be taken out of the market by the news. So they will wipe your account out. They will wipe your account out. It happened to me when I started Forex trading. Because I was just trading, I was just placing random trades without reading what is happening in the market, in the world. That's why they say you cannot only focus on technical analysis. You have to add in fundamental analysis. Those are the main important ones. Technical and fundamental analysis. Yeah, that's it, guys.